Hello folks, today we're gonna install Eclipse. So since we are already done with Java, now we're gonna install Eclipse where we're gonna do our coding. So let's get to it. So all you have to do is just go to Google and type in Eclipse Java download. Go to the very first link. So the very first link, then you guys can click 64, and once you click on the download, it's gonna take you to the download. No, sorry. You should go to this link, this download link. Once you're here, then you'll be able to see this download 64. Since it's a window, so you have to figure out like if it is a Windows download or it's a Ubuntu or it's a Linux download. Once you are done, so since I can see this is a Windows 64 download, once you download, you'll be able to see it in your download folder, and then you can just click on open, which can open it. So once you click on the install, so the installer is going to come up, and then you guys can carry on with the installation. Already, so over here we can see there are Eclipse. There are different kinds of Eclipse that depending on what the requirement is. So I usually go with the Eclipse Java developers. In case if you want to have enterprise developers as well, you can do that too. Okay, so this is the location it is going to install it to. And it has already detected your our Java JRE version. So let's do it. It's pretty straightforward. So we have to accept the license. Now it's going to be a time-consuming process to install it. So just accept license. Yes. So in this whole tutorial, we will start with the basics of Java, and then we're gonna advance Java as well. We will start with total basics, right from the variables, then the collections, what is polymorphism, and the whole 9 yard. Then we will switch over to the advanced Java, where we will be making APIs using Spring Boot. With the Spring Boot, we will be making APIs. We will make different APIs with all the get, put, post methods, and we'll be using the functionality which is provided by Spring Boot application. That is going to be fun as well. We will also install MongoDB at the time when we are about to start the Spring Boot tutorial. We'll be having Mongo as a DB, and we'll be having our Spring Boot application, which will be talking to Mongo to persist the data and to get the data from there. So that is the whole stuff that we're going to be covering in this Java tutorials. And then after, if you guys are also interested, there's going to be another tutorial for JavaScript as well. And the framework that I'm going to be teaching or I'm going to be letting you guys know is React. The React is the best out there. We'll get into Flutter as well. And if you guys want me to get into data for mobile development, we can do that too. But let's see how far we go. Let's see, why is this installation taking so long? So I'm gonna pause this video. Let's all. It is a time-consuming process, so I will just let it install now. Okay, thank you. Now you guys once the installation is complete, not the installation, the first step of installation is complete, then you're gonna see this specific pop-up. So you guys can select it, and once you select it, then if you want to remember the certificates, you can do that too. And then you guys can accept it and go forward with the rest of the installation then. So here we see now installation is complete. Now if we want, we can launch it. I'm gonna launch it now. Okay, so now we have to make sure that we are giving any kind of Eclipse workspace. I will choose some other folder other than my users folder. I'm gonna create a folder. Okay, I'm gonna create a folder. Come on, let me create a folder. So Eclipse Eclipse workspace. So I'm gonna make sure that I install it here, or this, no, not install, but this is gonna be my workspace. So you're gonna have this as a workspace. Now we'll see for Eclipse to come up. Already, so Eclipse is all up. Congratulations. So over here we can create a Java project, and we're gonna start dealing with everything about Eclipse, and we'll be making a project in next video. So please stay tuned, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.